Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to explore some of the most interesting and unique facts about Mexico. From its rich history and culture to its beautiful landscapes and delicious cuisine, Mexico is a country full of surprises. So, let's dive right in and discover some of the most interesting facts about Mexico. Mexico has a rich history that dates back thousands of years to the time of the Aztecs, Mayans, and other indigenous groups. Mexico's pre-Columbian era is still visible in its many archaeological sites, such as the ancient city of Teotihuacan and the Mayan ruins of Chichen Itza. The Spanish arrived in Mexico in the 16th century, and their influence is still visible in the country's language, religion, and architecture. Mexico has the second largest economy in Latin America, after Brazil. It is also the 15th largest economy in the world, with a gross domestic product, GDP, of over $1.2 trillion. The country's economy is diversified and includes industries such as oil and gas, manufacturing, agriculture, and tourism. The world's largest pyramid, the Great Pyramid of Cholula, located in the state of Puebla, is the world's largest pyramid, measuring over 400 meters on each side. The pyramid was built by the ancient civilization of the Aztecs and was later covered by vegetation and dirt. It wasn't until the 20th century that the pyramid was excavated and restored. Mexico has a rich history, and its archaeological sites are evidence of the country's ancient civilizations. There are over 40,000 registered archaeological sites in Mexico, including famous sites such as Teotihuacan, Chichen Itza, and Palenque. These sites offer a glimpse into Mexico's pre-Columbian history and culture. Mexico is the birthplace of chocolate. Chocolate was first cultivated by the ancient Mayans and Aztecs in Mexico over 4,000 years ago. They believed that chocolate was a gift from the gods and used it in religious ceremonies. Today, Mexico is still a major producer of chocolate, and Mexican chocolate is known for its rich flavor and unique blend of spices. The world's smallest volcano is in Mexico. The Cuexcamate volcano, located near the city of Puebla, is the world's smallest volcano, standing at just 13 meters tall. The volcano was formed in the 2nd century and last erupted in 1664. Today, it is a popular tourist attraction and can be climbed in just a few minutes. Spanish is the official language of Mexico, and the country has a rich linguistic and cultural diversity. Mexico has a population of over 130 million people, making it the most populous Spanish-speaking country in the world. Mexico City is sinking. Mexico City, the capital of Mexico, is sinking at a rate of around 10 inches per year. The city was built on a lake bed, and as a result, the ground is unstable. The sinking has caused problems such as water shortages, flooding, and infrastructure damage. Mexico is the world's largest silver producer. Mexico is the world's largest silver producer, accounting for over 23% of the world's total silver production. Silver mining has been an important part of Mexico's economy for over 500 years, and the country has some of the world's largest silver reserves. The world's largest oceanarium is in Mexico. The Oceanográfico in Cancun is the world's largest oceanarium, covering an area of over 150,000 square feet. The oceanarium is home to over 1,200 species of marine life, including sharks, dolphins, and sea turtles. Mexican cuisine is known for its spicy flavor, and chili peppers are a staple ingredient in many dishes. Mexico is home to over 100 different types of chili peppers, ranging from mild to extremely spicy. Mexican cuisine is one of the most popular in the world, and for a good reason. Mexican food is a blend of indigenous and Spanish influences and is known for its bold flavors, fresh ingredients, and colorful presentation. Some of the most famous dishes include tacos, burritos, guacamole, and salsa. Make sure to try the street food when you visit Mexico, as it is some of the best in the world. Mexico is a fascinating country with a rich history, vibrant culture, stunning natural beauty, and delicious cuisine. From the ancient ruins of the Maya and Aztecs to the modern cities of Mexico City and Guadalajara, Mexico offers something for everyone. Its unique blend of indigenous and Spanish influences has created a diverse and colorful society that is full of surprises and interesting facts. We hope you enjoyed learning about some of the fascinating facts about Mexico, and we invite you to come and experience the magic of this amazing country for yourself and join us for our next adventure.